Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can become financially independent and start selling in Ireland. And obviously the platform that we're going to look at is Shopify. Now Shopify is a global commerce platform where you can build your business, you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business, and obviously giving us an opportunity to study and understand the success that they use to become independent financial individuals, and what we need to do and how we need to do it to ensure that we can also enjoy the financial freedom that they enjoy. They're represented in 170 countries with a total 10% of the total US e-commerce and a global economic activity of $444 billion. Now obviously guys, you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store, and obviously once you have done that, what you need to do is the fact that you can obviously create customizable templates and obviously use those customizable templates and select those customizable templates, and obviously you don't need to hire a front end or a back end developers and decrease your fixed costs. You can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. With the best converting checkout on the planet, you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built for connecting. Obviously with a flexible point of sale to power your retail store and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. You can reach new leads, you can engage with customers, you can build on the data and take control of your customer data to build custom audiences and explore the customer's insight that drive ongoing growth, and build custom email campaigns and set automation to serve every segment and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools, and find new shoppers with the SEO and social media and content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and manage all the inventory, to track your payments and view real-time business insights all in one place so you can focus on building your business. So get your product where they need to be with the integrated inventory management and streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, and manage your business finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to select Shopify to start their journey, because Shopify is the platform, is the place, and is the area that can guide you, that can help you and support you in your journey. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial and fill out all the questions that are required. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it, guys, and that is the reason you should stick around till the end of this video. The first question is, which one of this best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling in person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off. After that, where would you like to sell? Do you want to sell online or on social media, in person, an existing blog, or the online market? You can select one or two. We're going to go with an online store and the social media so we can reach customers through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more, and create a fully customizable website in the process. Once you have selected it, just click on next and then select the social media channels that you want to sell on. We're gonna go with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and then we're gonna click on next. After you've done it, you need to select the store name. Now I always mention to individuals to select the name that really has an impact that can be created on your customer, and that is the reason why you gotta do some research in finding out what your competitors are doing, what kind of product and what kind of items you're selling. And once you've understood and done your research, you can also share the name with us in the comment section below, and we can let you know if that is a good name to go with or not. For this video, we're gonna just use this as an example and click on next. Now, once we've done it, we need to select where we're gonna locate our business. And obviously, this is very important. I'm gonna show you what you need to do to ensure that you can actually sell in Ireland. So let us find Ireland over here, select Ireland, and then a message is gonna pop up that's gonna say say that it looks like you're not located in Ireland. And are you sure you want to create a Shopify store in Ireland? And setting up your store in the wrong country may lead to the following issues, such as the tax and duty obligations, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, Shopify benefits, and term of services. I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass and fix every single one of them in this video. Once we click next, it's going to take us to the last step, which is creating a Shopify ID. Now you can create a Shopify ID with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Gmail ID. I always select my Google and my Gmail because my Gmail is very simple and straightforward to use. All you need to do is click on it. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, you're going to have your orders, your drafts, and your abandoned checkouts, your products such as your inventories, your transfer, your collections, and your gift cards. With customers, you can import customers from other platforms that you might be selling or have a dropshipping account on. Your analytics gives you reports and live views, and the marketing, which is my personal favorite, you can create campaigns and automations. You can also give discounts and create discounts for obviously your special customers that buy from you. If you click on your online store, you can get a complete breakdown from the theme, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, and the preferences. Now, obviously with Shopify.com, you get some popular free themes that are available that you can get select from. I always mention to all my viewers to make sure that you start off with the free ones to keep your costs as low as possible. And once your dropshipping store takes off, you can always upgrade to a paid theme on Shopify.com. And to find that, all you need to click is visit the theme store and to get the paid themes from there. Now, obviously, once we've done all of that, we need to head over to the Facebook and Instagram. Just click on Facebook and Instagram and you can start setting up your Facebook and your Instagram to ensure that all that information that you require is going to be made available. All you need to do is get connected and you're good to go. You can also connect your TikTok as well. And obviously, once all of that is done, you'll be set. Now, before you do any of that, you need to head over to settings. In settings, you'll see that the main element available is the fact that your address needs to be correct, which it is. Then you click on plan to make sure that you have a plan. If you don't have a plan, you can always get a plan and actually set up. Like we said, that we have 3 days remaining and you can easily get Shopify for 90 days by clicking in the description below. The main important thing is the taxes and duties, guys. So make sure that you select the taxes and duties that are for Ireland. Now, for example, you have to charge the tax on shipping and charge VAT on digital goods and click save. Once you've done it, you need to head over up and obviously go to the markets. Now, the market is very important, guys, because this is the main place that you'll see that your store is going to be located. Our prime market is Ireland, which is correct. Once we click on manage, we'll be able to see all the information. The product and the pricings are in euro, which is correct. Our domain is correct and our duties and import have been stored as well, and we have selected the right ones. Now, once all that information is done, just click on the close and now you can start selling on Shopify. It is truly as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.